Hello there, my name is Philip. I'm going to do a small presentation or demonstration of the Carla plugin host. First of all, I'm sorry if the screencast quality is not the best. I'm still trying to figure everything out. You can see I already have the application opened. This is because I'm right now processing the input, my microphone is getting through some basic filters to cut the low and high frequencies and then cut off the noise when I'm not speaking. So, okay, and also you have right here, this is a meter application I have outside this desktop. This is my screencast application, which is recording the audio right now, and this is for my actual speakers. So first of all, I'm going to just open a jack application, a music player. If you know Jack, you know that every client has its own audio or MIDI port. In Carla, you have the audio as blue and MIDI as red. Right now, if I connect, you should have music right now. This is the basic simple stuff. The media player ports are connected to the system playback and the screencast recording as well. And as it plays, you can hear the audio. Well, this is basic. What I want to do is to add filters in between. And right now, I'm going to demonstrate a small delay. Ping pong delay. I disconnect everything and connect the audio ports to the new plugin audio ports. Let me just make the connections for everything. I connect to my meter to make sure the music is not too loud. And right now you can hear the delay. You can open the plugin window to change its parameters, or you can use the Carla built-in window. In the built-in window we have the effect volume and the white percentage, also panning if needed. Well, simple stuff. Of course, when you change a parameter, let's demonstrate right there. I'm changing the feedback, and you can see the feedback on the Carla built-in interface. It's synchronized with the plugin actual interface. So, very simple stuff. We have a jack client with audio ports. These audio ports go through a plugin, and the plugin goes to the system playback. So that's the very basic stuff. What I can do right now is automate parameters via hardware. I have right here. I want to automate no, sorry, not this one. Here. Okay. Carla does not have right now MIDI learn, so you have to go through and understand what every knob matches to. I have some applications that allow to see this, which I should have figured it out before. Sorry. Let's see. I want jack and I want my MIDI keyboard. Okay. So, if I move a knob, a button, I can see this is the panning. Let's see, something... Oh, I found the volume. You can see right now the messages are already controlling the volume of this knob. Let me try to see. When I move, you can see the parameter moving as well. This is because the volume, the dry wet, and these parameters are pre-mapped in the Carla code to specific MIDI controllers. This is the volume, this is the breath, I believe, and this is the balance. You can turn it off by selecting N, means none. So now if I move the volume knob, nothing changes. And well, since I know what knob in my hardware is for the volume, I'm going to control the feedback. I select the volume here, which is 7, channel 1, and when I move the button right there, you can see here too, I'm now automating the feedback, which is nice. Oh, music stopped playing. Okay. I'm going to do the same, showing the plugin GUI interface being automated. Just simple. Yeah, simple stuff. What we can do right now, and I'm going to remove this one, is to make something that has output parameters control other output parameters. A simple thing, let me just add here. I'm going to add some bit using hydrogen. Okay, let me just make the connections here. I have everything to not auto-connect so that it doesn't mess up with the recording, with screencast. So right now we should have a loud beat. I need to decrease every level. Just a little more. To make sure nothing's too loud. Okay. Still a bit loud. Okay, I don't know if this is the right volume or not. Sorry for that, but let's continue. So I have this little bit going on. What I want to do is keep playing the beat, but put the kick through a compressor, the calf compressor, which is right here. Okay, let me show the game. You can see the kick right there making it sound. I want to take advantage of this output parameter. I'm going to set this as modulation and tweak a little things to make this a bit more noticeable. Just probably increasing the input. Oh, it's right there. I can see the reduction. Let's see this. Okay, that seems just easier to demonstrate something simple. That is playing. Let me just stop. Okay, stop that. The media player will now output I need a simple something that just passes the audio. This one is mono. I'm going to use this just as an example. Media player plays audio to me and audio to you. Alright. And this is the important thing. In the calf compressor, I have that output parameter set to modulation, channel 1. And here I'm going to... Oh, I don't want the modulation, I want the volume. Right there, volume. What this will do is, when the kick hits, it will trigger the... Ooh, not the... It will trigger this parameter and will reduce the value of the parameter. This sends an event, the MIDI controller event for the volume, which, well, basically just automates the volume for me. So, let me just put it this. Seems nice. And play it. You should be able to see it right there. That music doesn't... Oh, I need to find something else. Up there, let's make this one. Classical music, I'm going to raise it a little bit. Let me just check if everything is connected sometimes. Yeah. So now if I turn this off, you can hear the full volume, and if I turn it on, you can hear the volume being automated. And well, this is the basic things. Right now, I think if I lower the volume here on mixer, yep, you can definitely hear everything. So that's it. So I hope this was easy to understand. Sorry if my English is not so good. I'll promise to make better videos. Just bear with me now. And thank you for watching.